If you have pets, you already know how quickly carpets can turn into a mess. From muddy paw prints to stubborn stains and accidents, the right cleaner can save you hours of frustration. So today, we're counting down the 10 best carpet cleaners for pets, and if you love smart product picks, subscribe to PickNest for more. All the product links are in the description so you can check them out as we go. Now, let's get into it. Starting at number 10, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff is built for pet owners who constantly battle fur, dust, and everyday debris on carpets. Its liftoff design gives you extra flexibility for hard-to-reach areas, while the HEPA filtration helps capture fine particles. If your pets leave more than just stains behind, this is a practical option to consider. At number 9, the Starrybot Upholstery Cleaner is a compact option for pet owners dealing with unexpected stains and messes. With up to 18 kilopascals of suction, it's designed to pull dirt, liquid, and debris from carpets, rugs, couches, and upholstery. Its portable design makes it easy to grab whenever your pet has an accident, while the included tools help you tackle different surfaces more conveniently. It's not meant to replace a full-size carpet cleaner, but for quick spot cleaning and smaller messes, the Starrybot offers a practical and space-saving solution for everyday pet cleanup. At number 8, the Dirt Devil Full-Size Carpet Cleaner is a solid choice for pet owners who want a traditional upright machine without stepping into premium pricing. Its full-size design is made for cleaning larger carpeted areas, while the rotating brush roll helps work through embedded dirt and everyday pet messes. It also features a removable water tank and a wide cleaning path, making routine cleanup more convenient. If you're looking for a straightforward home carpet cleaner that can handle regular pet-related messes, this Dirt Devil is a practical option to consider. At number 7. The Hoover PowerDash Pet is designed for pet owners who want effective carpet cleaning without dealing with a bulky machine. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easier to carry between rooms, while the Power Spin Pet Brush Roll works to lift embedded dirt, fur, and pet messes from carpet fibers. The Heat Force technology also helps speed up drying, so you're not left waiting as long for freshly cleaned carpets to dry. It's a practical choice for apartments, smaller homes, or anyone who wants a convenient carpet cleaner that's easy to store and quick to bring out when pet accidents happen. At number 6, the Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is built for pet owners who need a powerful solution for unexpected messes. Its compact design makes it easier to carry around the house, while the strong suction helps extract dirty water, stains, and odors from carpets and upholstery. What makes this model especially useful for pet households is the dual-action pet tool. It's designed to tackle both pet hair and stubborn messes, so you can work on accidents without needing a full-size carpet cleaner every time. The wheels and retractable handle also make it easier to move from room to room, which is especially convenient when you're dealing with multiple areas that need attention. Because it's portable, it works well for stairs, couches, rugs, car interiors, and smaller carpeted areas where bringing out a full-size machine would be overkill. It's also a good choice for those who want something they can quickly grab whenever a pet accident happens. If powerful spot cleaning and portability are your priorities, the Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is definitely worth considering. At number 5, the Shark StainStriker HairPro is a portable stain cleaner built with pet owners in mind. What makes it stand out is its HairPro technology, which helps tackle pet hair along with the stains and messes that come with it. The StainStriker system combines two cleaning solutions to create a powerful foaming action that works deep into carpet fibers. That makes it especially useful for fresh pet accidents, muddy paw prints, and stubborn stains that need more than a quick wipe. This model also comes with 3 specialized tools, giving you more flexibility when cleaning carpets, stairs, upholstery, and other surfaces around your home. Since it's compact and portable, you can easily carry it to the mess instead of moving a large carpet cleaner around. It's particularly useful for pet owners who regularly deal with smaller, concentrated messes rather than needing to clean an entire room at once. So, if you want a portable cleaner that focuses heavily on pet hair and tough stains while still being easy to store, the Shark StainStriker HairPro is a strong option to consider. At number 4. The Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet is a full-size carpet cleaner built specifically for homes with pets. Its dual dirt lifter power brushes work deep into carpet fibers to help loosen embedded dirt, pet hair, and stubborn messes that regular vacuuming can leave behind. One of its biggest advantages is the full-size design. giving you a better solution when you need to clean larger carpeted areas instead of dealing with one small spot at a time. It also features a clean shot pre-treater, which lets you target tougher stains with an extra burst of cleaning solution before the main cleaning pass. The Express Clean mode is another useful feature when you want carpets to dry faster after cleaning, while the hose and specialized tools make it easier to tackle stairs, upholstery, and other hard-to-reach areas. For pet owners who want a dedicated, full-size machine with strong brushing action and extra stain-focused features, the ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet is a serious step up from basic compact cleaners. At number 3, the Hoover SmartWash Pet Cleaner is a great choice for pet owners who want powerful cleaning without complicated controls. Its automatic cleaning technology detects when you're pushing forward or pulling back, so the machine handles the cleaning and drying process with minimal effort. The Power Spin Pet Brush Roll helps tackle embedded dirt and pet messes, while the included Spot Chaser wand gives you a convenient way to target smaller stains without bringing out the entire machine. It also features heat force technology to help speed up drying after cleaning. For larger carpeted areas and everyday pet messes, the SmartWash Pet offers a simple, user-friendly approach that makes deep cleaning feel much less like a chore. At number 2, the Bissell Revolution HydroSteam is a premium full-size carpet cleaner designed to take on stubborn pet messes. Its HydroSteam technology combines steam, cleaning solution, and powerful brushing to help loosen tough set-in stains before they're extracted. It features 3 cleaning modes, so you can choose the right approach for everyday cleaning, quick-drying jobs, or tougher stains that need extra attention. The included tools also let you clean stairs, upholstery, and other areas beyond your main carpets. For pet owners who regularly deal with stubborn stains and want a more advanced full-size cleaner, the Revolution HydroSteam is a powerful option worth considering. At number 1, the Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro 2458 is a portable carpet cleaner built specifically for pet owners who need to deal with stains and accidents quickly. Its strong suction helps lift pet messes from carpets and upholstery, while the specialized pet tools make it easier to target areas where accidents happen most. The compact design is a major advantage because you can carry it straight to the mess instead of bringing out a full-size carpet cleaner. It's also useful for stairs, rugs, couches, car interiors, and other hard-to-reach areas. For pet owners who want a dedicated spot cleaner that's powerful, portable, and easy to grab when accidents happen, the SpotClean Pet Pro 2458 is a practical choice and a strong way to finish our list. So, which of these carpet cleaners would you choose for your home? Let us know in the comments. If this list helped you find the right option for your pets, hit like, subscribe to PickNest, and turn on notifications for more smart product picks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.